Okay, so since we are going to be creating a video for this project, we need to first learn how to input our videos into a video program. Most of you will be using your phones in order to create these videos, so we need to learn how to use a video converter. This is because the program that we're going to be using for the video, to create the videos, will require you to use MP4s. And the videos that we take on our phones, if we have Apple phones, are going to be MOV files that are these instead of the MP4s, so they'll need to be converted. So we'll use a video converter. My favorite is this one, the convertvideoonline.com. That's because this one is safe. It's endorsed by Google, and it seems to be the fastest and easiest to use. I will caution you though, it does have this, you can import from Google Drive, but it will prompt you to sign in, and then it will also ask you to be okay with them viewing and having access to all of your files. So we're going to go through how to get around this so that all you do is open files, and the only files that they are able to have access to are the ones that you want them to have access to. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is look at how to upload the files to your computer. Alright, so the first thing that you'll want to do is on your phone, this is what your Apple or iPhone would look like. You would have the upload screen. Okay, so you'd upload it. Your screen would look like this. You would select the drive, and then you can easily upload even large files very quickly to your Google Drive. Okay, after you've done this, then you would upload the file, and then it would be accessible through your Google Drive. Okay, once it's accessible through your Google Drive, it will look like this. Okay. And it will show up as image, and then it'll give you a number, and then as an MOV file. You will have to right click this and then click download, and then it will pop up here in your downloads folder. Okay, see how it says image 8103? It's the exact same title that it had in your Google Drive folder. Okay, I've already put these in my tutorial video, but we'll go ahead and open this one, and it's the video here. Okay, alright, so what I'm going to do here then is I need to convert this file in order for it to be able to be used in the Movie Maker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the online video converter, and I'm going to say open file, and I'm going to go to downloads, and I have the file right here. Okay, I've clicked on it, and it will upload the file here. It says MOV, and then I want it to convert it to an MP4. So this should be clicked to MP4. Keep the resolution same as source, and then click convert. This should not take very long. Again, this is one of the fastest programs I've seen. And then you can download. Okay. Do not click this. It should just say start the download there. Okay. And then it will be down here, my thing. There we go. Okay, And now I have it in an MP4 that I can open. And now this file, the MP4, is now available and usable in the Movie Maker. Okay, and then we'll talk about how to import and use and then edit the video in the Movie Maker in the next video.